If you love outdoor adventures, there's nothing like sleeping under the stars in comfort. In this video, we're counting down the best rooftop tents, the perfect gear to elevate your camping experience and turn any trip unforgettable. Number 1. Rooftop Tent Hardshell. For campers who prioritize durability and weather resistance, the Rooftop Tent Hardshell is a fantastic choice among the best rooftop tents. Made from 100% aircraft-grade aluminum alloy, this tent offers exceptional toughness and longevity. Unlike plastic alternatives, which often degrade or leak after exposure to the shifting temperatures of different seasons, this aluminum hard shell resists aging and the effects of thermal expansion and contraction. It's designed to perform year after year, making it a smart investment for frequent adventurers. Inside, it uses polyester fabric, which balances breathability, waterproofing, and comfort. The material ensures solid blackout and privacy, offering a relaxing rest spot no matter where your travels take you. The stainless steel air pressure levers are built to last, immune to rust, and designed for long-term reliable function. Comfort is another strong suit for this model, thanks to thoughtful inclusions like a recessed marine pad that actively reduces interior humidity, while a condensation pad tackles water vapor buildup from temperature shifts. These features help maintain a dry, pleasant environment inside the tent. The 5 cm non-deforming mattress adds to the appeal by providing consistent comfort and proper support throughout the night, eliminating pressure points that can disturb sleep. It's clear that this rooftop tent was made with practical outdoor needs in mind. While it lacks the extra accessories some other models pack, it excels in core performance, offering a stable, comfortable, and dependable shelter for outdoor overnights. Number 2. Rooftop Tent Hardshell Rooftop Tent. The Rooftop Tent Hardshell Rooftop Tent takes durability and convenience up a notch with its robust build and generous accessory kit, easily securing a spot among the best rooftop tents available. Crafted from 100% aircraft-grade aluminum alloy, this tent resists aging and temperature-related wear, ensuring it stays reliable through years of changing seasons. Unlike plastic shells that may crack or leak over time, this sturdy aluminum exterior offers confidence on both sunny days and rainy nights. The polyester fabric used for the tent's body adds to its appeal, delivering excellent breathability, waterproofing, and privacy. Stainless steel air pressure levers maintain smooth, rust-resistant operation over time, making setup and takedown an easy process. Comfort inside the tent is thoughtfully addressed with a recessed marine pad that keeps interior humidity in check, paired with a condensation pad that prevents moisture from pooling inside during temperature swings. The 5 cm mattress provides a comfortable and consistent sleeping surface, resisting deformation and supporting restful sleep after a day outdoors. What sets this model apart is its extensive accessory bundle. Included are practical items like a 7.5-foot telescoping ladder, organizer bags, LED lighting, luggage crossbars, shoe storage, mesh windows, and extra mattresses. These additions enhance the camping experience by providing convenience, organization, and added comfort. The extra windows boost ventilation while maintaining privacy, and the LED strip adds valuable lighting at night. Number 3. Naturnest Rooftop Tent Hardshell. Among the best rooftop tents for serious campers and overlanders, the Naturnest Rooftop Tent Hardshell stands out for its impressive all-weather versatility and rapid setup. Made from premium 310G polyester fabric combined with an aluminum hard shell, this tent is designed to endure the elements in every season. Its standout feature is the 316 stainless steel gas struts, boasting a powerful 8,000 N of support force that allows the tent to fully pop up in just 30 seconds. Whether you're caught in a sudden downpour or setting up in a tight dusk window, this speed and ease of use is a major advantage. The materials reflect high-precision craftsmanship, proven to withstand up to 45,000 uses, offering reassurance for frequent adventurers. Waterproofing is top-tier with an IPX6 rating and 5,000 mm water resistance, capable of handling heavy rain without a hitch. Its blackout layer not only blocks 99% of sunlight for restful sleep, but also offers up to 6-grade wind resistance, making it a reliable companion for mountaintop or windy beach outings. Comfort inside is equally impressive, with a 5 cm thick mattress designed to conform to your body, relieving pressure and fatigue after long days of hiking or driving. The 3 large doors, each equipped with YKK zipper mesh screens and sealable windows, allow for excellent ventilation, adjustable privacy, and easy access. Number 4. Bamacar Naturnest Tent Hardshell. If you're searching for one of the best rooftop tents built for both ease and ruggedness, the Bamacar Naturnest Tent Hardshell deserves a closer look. Designed to accommodate 2 to 3 people, it's a universal fit for a wide range of vehicles including Jeeps, SUVs, pickup trucks, and trailers, making it a versatile option for various camping setups. It boasts an ultra-fast pop-up clamshell design, deploying in just 30 seconds thanks to its sturdy 8,000 N gas struts. Even after 45,000 uses, the mechanism remains durable and reliable, a testament to its build quality. The aircraft-grade aluminum hard shell ensures the tent stands up to the toughest outdoor conditions, offering a high-strength barrier against rain, wind, and harsh sunlight. Its 310G polyester fabric provides waterproof protection rated at IPX6 and 5,000 millimeters, alongside 99% sun protection and 6-level windproof capability, making it suitable for 4-season camping. Comfort is prioritized with a 5 centimeters thick mattress that conforms to the body, promoting restful sleep and relieving pressure points. A 99% blackout fabric interior helps maintain a dark, sleep-friendly environment regardless of external conditions. The tent features 3 doors with YKK zipper mesh and sealable windows, allowing excellent cross-ventilation and easy access from multiple directions. It keeps air flowing during hot days while sealing up snugly during colder nights. Number 5. Naturnest Rooftop Tent. Closing out this list of the best rooftop tents is the Naturnest Rooftop Tent, which offers an ideal mix of space, durability, and ease of use for families or small groups. Supporting 2 to 3 people, it features a roomy 84-inch L x52, W x 41H interior, with a square layout that mimics the coziness of a home bedroom. This thoughtful shape makes it perfect for bringing along your family and even a pet for a comfortable camping adventure. Setup is hassle-free thanks to the hard shell design combined with stainless steel air pressure rods, allowing you to have the tent ready in just 1 minute. The tent's shell, made from streamlined ABS, cuts down on wind resistance and fuel usage during travel, while offering strong weather protection. Its 305G polyester fabric, enhanced with black rubber sun protection technology, ensures 100% waterproofing and UPF 50+ sun defense, making it suitable for 4-season camping. Designed for durability and safety, it can withstand winds up to level 6 and resists rust and wear over time. Inside, the triple-layer mattress and bottom oak board create a premium sleeping environment. The 5 centimeters non-deforming soft mattress ensures restful, pressure-free sleep, while the oak board strengthens the structure and boosts comfort. Like the video, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon.